in my head. How frustrating, but it's okay. What's up, everyone? Happy Monday. I hope it was amazing. I need to clean these. I hope your weekend was awesome. I'm super excited. Sorry. Organizing life is rough. But apologies about Friday's stream being all weird. On the plus side, it was a fun stream. On the downside, it was a terrible trading day. We're gonna forget Friday happened, and that's okay. We're gonna just move on. We're starting the week fresh. Hey James, what's up? How's it going? How goes it? There we go. Okay. We are ready to rock and roll. So, it is officially London Open. I have not marked out anything, so let's maybe start with that. Let's start quick sticks. Again, maybe it would help if I put my glasses on here. Just a fun little thought there, but it's okay. Moving on. Excuse me, can we work? That would be great, thank you. Only a true trader. What's up? How's it going? How you doing? Hey Rick, how are you? Good morning. How was everyone's weekend? Only true trader, how you feeling after everything? Going well, I think it's going to go down. Just hit a couple records and the pullback is coming. Ooh, interesting, James. James, how long have you been trading for? Good. You know what? I can't complain. It's not boiling hot here for, you know, a fun little change of pace that can actually, you know, sit here not dying. It's actually nice and overcast, which means I might actually be able to be a productive human being of society today. James, you've been trading for a year. Hey, that is awesome. Welcome, and how do you find it? Because you're new, hey? I don't think I've seen you on this channel before, so welcome. Welcome to the chaos. We have lots of fun here. It's very chaotic, but we have fun. I've paid attention for 30 years. Wait, so you've been trading for a year, but you've been kind of paying attention for the 30 years? Yeah? Hey, Dennis! Awesome. I can see things. Moving on. Well, for me, it was amazing. Yeah, Only True Trader had a great Friday. I had probably one of the worst trading sessions I've had in a very long time on Friday, I'm not gonna lie. And Only True Trader? Yeah, to see that awesome trade work out hurt me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. You know, we live and we learn. We're gonna ignore that Friday ever happened. We are ignoring that Friday was ever a thing. Moving on. Asia, he could... Hi, there we go. Cool, so we don't really have an NMOG. Awesome, awesome. Let's do this though, Bob level all the way down. Asia high there. And now we just continue. Did it reach... Did ES reach all-time highs? No. Yes? Maybe. Who can tell me? Did ES reach all-time highs? Because that would be quite exciting. There we go. Let's just shrink that up a little bit. I don't think it did, but still. Hey, Trade Delicious! What's up? How's it going? Why everyone on this platform doing trading? Because we are traders. And these fancy apps when I was a teen. Oh, James, I mean, that's valid. Hey, Mike the Goat, what's that? Well, still not sure what's going on. How are you? Hey, Bear again. How are you? Friday didn't happen at all. Yeah, no. Friday... Friday wasn't a thing. Oh, hey, Zube, how you doing? Long Hey Sully, what's up? Sully, you know what? I was actually about to go and get the dog treats and start teaching Perry how to sit on the chair just for you. And then I thought, okay, let's maybe wait for open. Let's see what happens. But you best believe that I might just go get the dog treats and start teaching Perry how to sit on the chair. Specifically for you, Sully. See, don't say I don't think about you. Don't say I don't care. Okay. Let's wait. We all think this is going to be a bit of a pullback. I'm going to have a look at the higher time frames also quickly. So let's check out the 5 minute. So I'm talking... Sorry. That's me responding to Friday. Again, Friday just didn't happen. Friday didn't happen. Friday didn't exist. It's okay. Peter, am I a millionaire yet? I wish. Guys, I wouldn't be in this stressed state of existence if I was. Hey, Fizz, what's up? I think I see inverting head and shoulders on NQ. Ooh, okay, awesome. Peter, billionaire, wow. 1, 2, 3, and 2. It did. Ooh, thanks, only true. No, 15 minutes, bearish fair value gap. Thanks, Zubair. Well, I'm gonna quickly check out the higher time frames. Let's do this. How you doing, Zubair? How's the trading been going? How's everyone's trading? Number one, how was everyone's weekend? Hi, baby. Come here. How was everyone's weekend? There's a little beanbag for everyone to make their Monday. You know, let's start this week properly. Yeah, oopsies. There's a cutie patootie over here saying hi. Okay, very stream on the way. One advice that you would give yourself if you started from day one. Ooh, unsure. That's a really good question. It's a really good question. Maybe let the brain wake up. Number one, trade like a pro. What's up? So, unsure, to answer your question, discipline. I think that's it. But unfortunately, that's also kind of learned with hours behind the screen. But I would have to say discipline is one of the main things. You know, you have to be disciplined enough to stick to your setup, disciplined enough to wait for your A+ setup. There's a lot that goes into it. I did also do a little bit of back testing this weekend. Some of you might absolutely hate this. Maybe one day, I don't want to say for funsies, but for funsies. Okay, I'm not even gonna tell you. Maybe one day I'll just do it, and then if you guys are like, what is happening? I'll then just rip the band-aid off. Ooh, okay. Okay. This 1 hour chart. We just can't break this 116 level on ES. ES NQ, sorry. This is the Nasdaq futures, by the way. For anyone that's watching, what up? Hi, welcome. Zubair, last week was not good for you. Don't worry, samesies. It's okay. Sorry, I'm not responding. I'm quickly checking the higher time frames. Then I'll pay attention to you guys, and then we will do this. Well, it does kind of look like we might potentially start going down. In all honesty, this higher time frame just looks like we're going sideways. Especially if you zoom out a lot, but oh, don't do that, but okay. Let's see, what do y'all think? And yes, I just said y'all. I'm learning from Bob. I'm joking. Sorry. Okay. Well, I'm stuck sitting far away from my PC because Perry's now under my chair, so it's fine. Okay, moving on. First leg done. Last week was not good. Why? What happened last week, Zubair? Weekend was great. James, I'm so glad. Hey, Wildfire, what up? Mac, good morning. Good morning or good evening to you. What's up? Why do I not trade the US 30? Is that what you're asking? Top 1 traders. What's up? Well, sweet and simply, I started trading the Nasdaq futures and I said I wanted to get good at one asset before I started jumping around. That's like the sweet and easy explanation for that one. Which time frame do I take entry? 1 minute. Ooh, Anshul, that's a bit of a tricky question, but theoretically RR over win rate is the better one to go. I mean, if you have both, if you have a good win rate and a decent RR, winning, but yeah, RR beats win rate at the end of the day. I know that, just that sometimes it's nice to have a nice win rate. Ninja, happy Monday. How goes it? How was the weekend? It was chilled. It was chilled. Yeah. Chilled is good. Perry is just learning the ropes before his first stream. Solly, that makes sense. Funhouse, hi. So your bias is to the short side for the US 30 and the DAX. Awesome. US 100 often stays in sideways range bound and spikes often. Anyways. Interesting. Okay, and how long have you been trading for? Top 1 trader, sorry. Asking you in specific. Let's see what y'all think for today. Oh yeah, guys, there's now a membership available, which is pretty cool. If you guys want to check it out, it means you guys get some control over some weird and wonderful things. Anyways, I thought I'll just quickly mention that, but let's focus quickly on what's happening now. Oopsies. Cool, we are ready to rock and roll. Morning from you in the same time. Oh, cool, nice. Okay, there we go. Mac, Ethan, what's up? Not trade 100 before luxury. 30, I'm pretty good. Move now. It's one side. Get 200 handles after opening. Well, it's literally went up, came back down to opening price. Basically all the way back down to opening price, mitigated this little bit of an imbalance. I mean, not loving how this has started, but we've still got time. I think this is going to become amazing. Like I said, I now can't move, but it's okay. Totally bullish till market reaches 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Okay, Zubair, nice. Falling off my bike, I guess. That's down. Oh, thanks, Mohammed. You're so sweet. Do I use market journal, Mac? No, not exactly. Well, I journal, if that's what you are asking. Sorry, I'm getting dumpy on my chair. The US that is my wife. I belong to her. Wildfire? That is amazing. I absolutely love that. That is hilarious. Also very valid. Okay, I'm keeping an eye on the time. I think something good could potentially start coming soon. Yes. Yes, it is. It's Randall. What? Let's do this thing. No, why did I do that? Wow, this big volume spike to the bear side was interesting. Didn't quite expect that, did it? Okay. Okay, let's wait for a tiny bit more confirmation. I know majority of you think this is going to be bearish though, hey? No, I lie. Majority thought potentially bullish. Let's do this. A silver bullet trader? What the? No, not journaling market. It has nothing to do with journaling. Oh, Mac? No, what's that? Sorry, can you... Clearly, I don't know what that... What is market journal? Mohammed, London open now. Mohammed, wasn't London open at 3 a.m. EST time? Is that not the London Open? Unless I've got all my times wrong, but my understanding is 3 a.m. EST is London Open session. Or London Open Market. Am I correct? Now you're making me question my life. Yes? No? Maybe. Damn, okay, so Bulls have won this one. Oh, and why do you say that, Bull? Brightest future? What? How's it going? How was your weekend? How was the games? I'm gonna call it the games. Okay. Here we go. $10 points. Got 1, 3. Oh, this kind of looks like it's running away. I actually want to take a short here. Yeah, you tell him, Wildfire. Fatal. Anyway, hey Chris Jackson, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? I'll change my bias into bearish at first for value gap. Hey Rank Rush, what's up? Yeah, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be specific. I know sometimes NQ and the micros look a tiny bit different. Damn, this is headed for Asia low. Ayo, David. How's it going? Shout out to David. Always major shout outs to David. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Happy Monday. Or an average Monday, I'm not actually sure. Happy Monday. Solly saying finally. Damn, David, Solly missed you. It's a newsletter service giving insight on what caused PA moves previously. Following. What? Market Journal. I kind of want to go check that out now. That sounds amazing. Okay, wait, let me just set this because I like this trade. I think it's just gonna be running away. I don't obviously want to catch falling knife, but let's see if this does retest slightly. I would like to get in on this. Nope, this is just going. Yeah, this is just running away. If a retest happens, that would be amazing. I don't think it is, though. Let's see. Nah, Google it. I will definitely. I'm going to Google it right now. Nasdaq, the only instrument that you trade. Wildfire for now. Yes. Hey Maurice, how's it going? But yes, Wildfire for now. So I haven't even been trading for a year. I'm getting there one step at a time. One step at a time being the key word. But I kind of said I wanted to get good at one asset before I started jumping around and potentially confusing myself, because I have a tendency to do that. So I started with the Nasdaq futures, specifically the micros, to preserve capital, and wow, this is just running away. Okay then. Wow. Whoa. Okay, nope. This is just running away. And there's Asia Low taken on both ES and NQ. Awesome. Did anyone get in on this? Hey, Demonte, what's up? Just wait an hour before jumping in. Oh, James, why do you say an hour? Interesting. Demonte, did you say you missed it or did you say I missed it? Because I mean, you're not wrong. Clearly I missed it and it feels like it's just chasing now. Watch it go bob level to bob level. Also, where's Rip? Rip's being really oddly quiet, which makes me nervous. Got 20 points. Hey, whoop whoop! That is amazing. Well done. Chris Jackson, what's my lot size? Depends on how big the trade is. Does that make sense? Exactly, Wildfire. So, okay, let me quickly check the higher time frame. Sorry. Let's focus for a minute, believe it or not. I do focus sometimes. There. Not there yet. Awesome. Okay, I still like this. For 4 contracts. I just need to check what time it is. Okay, we aren't close to 4 AM yet, so that's not bad. We have potential. Let's see on the higher time frame, this looks good. 2, 3, I have my 3 confluences for this. It's now set and forget. If it goes up this high, I have no idea, but let's do this. I'm trying to be better with my tendency to overthink things. Of course I did. Who did you take me for? We're probably just finishing his heist on NQ with the short. Valid, Solly, actually. When you're right, you're right. Rip's probably taking home some nice cheddar. Chris, I'm in South Africa. Yeah. Good morning from Ohio. What's up, Pat? How are you doing? Sorry, I don't know. Strange, eh? Don't know what you're saying, unfortunately. Apologies. Yeah, only true trader has got some skills. 100%. Back up to 723. Well, I hope it stops at 723. That would be grand. Pat, you excellent. That is so cool. But yeah, guys, I'm South African. Welcome, welcome. How goes it for everyone else? Let's see if it retests this high up. Kind of looks like it's gonna miss me, doesn't it? Pity. Uncle Jay, what's up? Did I actually get you to confess your love for me on air? Now, we were having big fat chats and crying. No, just kidding. He was having the best time. I was crying. Yo, Friday did me dirty, which is why I'm pretending Friday didn't happen. I missed it, and so did you. No, Demont, don't be a negative Nancy. don't be a negative Nancy. We still have potential. There's still potential. Soon to be Australian. What are my 3 confluences? Hey, Andre, what's up? Maybe or reverse. Monte, that's not... Do I know the antwoord? But I know of the... Yes. Yeah, I know it. I'm not super Afrikaans, just before you ask. I haven't had a sip of my coffee yet. Also, Demonte, maybe don't be a negative Nancy. Let's be positive that it's gonna come. Oh, my 3 confluences. Sorry, can you tell the ADHD is happening today? So I have a fair value gap, I have my VWAP, and I have my, I call it a shelf. So there's 3 and technically 4 because I also have this Bob level. Bob level is a little bit of some secret sauce from one of the amazing community members. When I reach 10k subscribers, which is like 1,000 subs away, I have permission from Bob to give away the secret sauce. But not yet. Most of the mods, except for Boom, want us to get married. Diesel, can I take you out for coffee? Well, I mean, where do you live, my man? Might be a bit tricky if you're not in South Africa. Chris, what time is it where I am? It is 10:26 a.m. Yeah, Andre, did those make sense? I hope that kind of made sense. So for anyone that's new, welcome, by the way. I use basically market auction theory. The ICT and SMC comes into play with the confluences. Yeah, like I said, on the higher time frames, it also actually doesn't look bad. So I'm hoping for a bit more of a retest now that's taken out Asia low. Maybe this is a little bit scary because it did just take out Asia low, and it is possible that it could go back searching for the Asia highs now. But let's see. Atlanta, what? Chris Jackson, what are you saying about Atlanta? Wow. Out of pure curiosity, David, I'm kind of curious. Since you've been joining here, have you gotten more subscribers or not really? Monte, I say sell it until it proves it's going on. True. Demonte, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I keep calling you Demonte. I'm so sorry. Demonte. Yeah, I've got a few. Are you serious? That is amazing. Did I ever consider learning order flows so that you don't have to predict your entries, instead you react? So are you saying more when there's a breakout, you get in, you basically mark it in? Is that what you do? HJ? Hey Lalesh, what's up? And Robert, hi. How's it going? So is that what you say, essentially? Do you mark it in? Oh, come guy, we missed you last week. How's it going? Happy Monday indeed. Okay, we're still not close to 4, so we still have... Set it and forget it, right? Set it and forget it, set it and forget it, set it and forget it. Set it and forget it, I'm leaving it alone. Hey! Simp babe? What's up? Robert, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. David, what did you say? But I retired from streaming. Why did you retire from streaming, David? Yeah, market order or entry with stop loss. I'm assuming not a limit though, right? So you have like a stop entry with a stop loss? Yeah, I think I forgot to say it in Discord. I was taking a week. You did, some guy, and you made me super upset. I thought I did something wrong. Like, I know I made Solly mad. I don't know what I did to make Solly mad, but I know I made Solly mad. I didn't think I made you mad. I was really upset. I was like, oh no. Most people confuse ICT for strategy. It's an encyclopedia of tools instead. What matters is how you take and use the tools that work for you and stick to it, then refine the time and practice. Exactly. David updates. I mean, sure. Hey, son. Why? Son, why do you say that? You have about 50 subs, but I'm 2. No, you're not. Why do you say that? Oh, he did? What happened? Superman. There we go. Oh, no! You meanie banini. That was unnecessary. Oh, wait. Oh, man. That was mean. Not respected the shelf. Cool. Had the right idea, just entry was too high. Simple, what just happened? Oh, hey Diesel, thank you, you're so sweet. Hey man, spent a couple days with my friends and then you baby spent a couple days with my sis helping her pack her horse stuff. No, why? Wait, what happened? Some guy, wait. 2 things. Number 1, I don't think you've ever mentioned your sister has horses. Excuse me? Number 2, why do the horses have to go back? Sorry, now do you see you piqued my curiosity with that. What's my dog's name again? Perry. By choosing trading to obtain freedom, so you can't just walk away whenever you want. Whatever you want, yeah. Damn, David. David took that personal attack. Okay, so correct idea. That also felt very intentional now, so let's... Okay, what time we're looking at? 32. Some guy, have you gotten any other trades in or not really? Oh no, some guy, that sucks. Get him, Tug. This market is behaving like this because of Iran. Interesting. 133 would be a good time for now. Oh, UTC. What time would ETC be, Robert, with that? Stop loss entries are a bit of special cases, but mainly order flows in addition to already established strategy, which allows you to qualify your trades on how volume flows. Give me a second, sorry. It's got real close there. Back to focusing for just a minute. Oh my gosh. Am I chasing this or not? I'm trying to decide if I Nike this and take this one. I don't like those 2 little wicks together though, and this one only has 2 confluences, not 3 confluences. What does this look like on the higher time frame? Again, on the 5-minute, the bigger one looks better, but the smaller one could work. What happened to dance? Don't make me fly out to use now. What? Some guy, that is so cool. Sorry, I'll read that properly now. Safe to buy. $3:30 to 5 South Africa time. Oh, so Robert, I trade both London and New York sessions, so why those times, Robert? Sorry, that, why those times? Bounce back from 2 days, back for value gap of CE. Okay, so Zubey, you think this is now gonna start climbing up? This is gonna be good. Again, Ripper's being awfully quiet, which makes me nervous. When Ripper's quiet, I get concerned. Oh no, some guys. Solly's always mad at me. I don't know what I did, but Solly's always mad at me, some guy. You get used to it. Apparently it's because I'm old. I don't know. Because I'm old. I did something. Most funds are best because they line up with most. Actually part of the stock market when blah. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because I've never really heard that. I know New York session, so I trade the New York session, which I'm gonna use South Africa time, is 4:30 until closing, but I trade from 4:30. But it's interesting that you're saying earlier. This one's the best alignment with most. Yeah, apparently that's what did it. Because I'm old, you can ask Solly. Oh, this is indicating towards potential buy now. But again, I'm not hating this setup. Still for 4. Still for 4. Let's see. I'm keeping this one open because again, it has my confluences. It's an A+ setup for me. I am gonna watch obviously what the price action does now. Maybe it really starts reacting. Like I said, it did take out Asia low. Taking out Asia low on ES as well. Okay, apparently we're still gonna go back down. Let's see how we react here. This wouldn't have tagged me in. That would have been frustrating, lack of a better word. I'm mad at how little. Damn! Wait, Solly, then I have a very important question for you, and I want you to be honest. Why aren't you mad at Boom then? Boom's older than me, I'm just saying. Nope, so it smashed as low as the last 2 days. James, still going down for now. Let's see, it might do a bit of a retest now. I was hoping it would at least come get me in earlier. It was so close. So close, but no cigar, unfortunately. Brat. But I still like this larger setup for a potential short. I have it set. Let's see. This was an idea for a smaller trade. Yeah, this. I don't know though. I think I might want to jump a little bit higher first. Robert, have I ever tried crypto free? I have not. Robert? Old, but do you have a partner? No, son. Practically boomer. I must be on your hit list. Wow. Mike the Goat, what's up? Hell yeah. Need good coffee. With age comes wisdom, and with wisdom comes valuable lessons. Like, no, you little... brat. I'm going with brat. That wouldn't have tagged me in either. Wow, this is just running away. Son, I thought you said it was a good time to buy. I don't know how he does it, but Boom ages gracefully. Gold messed up early on. Michael, what happened on gold that it messed up? Robert, David doesn't even trade. Anyways, Mgu, what's up? No. You're not short now, too late. Brutal week. Mgu, I hear that. What happened? Dr. H, did I go long on Solana? I'm not trading Solana, sorry. I'm waiting to see how it reacts. So, one of the amazing Tyson, speaking of, mentioned, how are you doing, Tyson? This 618 level, it responded like crazy to it. So I'm genuinely curious to see how it responds to the 618 level again. James, 30 more minutes. What a nice drop this morning. NQ setting up a good New York session. Hey, Rip, there you are. I was wondering where you were. Are you back now? Are you done trading? How was it? I hate my VO app so much. Bearish until it's not, right? Going to be a wide swing. Cheers, Ninja. Thank you. Mad love. See you later. Son, you think it's a fake drop? I'm long. Do I often trade pre-market? Hey, Clack. Yeah, I trade both London and New York session. So yeah, I trade both of them. But thanks, Ninja. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. We've got some exciting things happening this year, hopefully. Hopefully, let's see. There is a little bit of a membership starting as well. I'm not sure if you guys have got the little message that's popped up. But I shared Friday on Discord to help you on New York session. Okay, thanks, Rip. I have a look now. Good grief. Just good grief. Okay, so Bob level's Bob level. Awesome sauce. Currently have... Yes, could go buy side once NQ fails to take previous day low. Interesting. So, majority think this is just a retest. I'm gonna go quickly check the 1 hour. Let's check the higher time frame. Well, like you said, we haven't taken the previous day low yet. Well, I guess previous day would be Friday. Friday low yet. Hey, High Life, what's up? How's it going? How's the trading been? Still have no clean consults, fast reversal. I think managed to risk leverage, relevant risk and position size, all that matters. Somehow, how is Biddy looking recently? Haven't really been able to ask. How's the Biddy been treating? Well, I know you took last week off because you had a banger trade, but what's it currently doing? You like my Bitcoin source, I love it. Okay, failing here slightly. Some equal highs here. Could start to drop. This is, it's an A+ setup. Dude, right now so far so good. You mean you missed how to have a rip level? Wait, what? Rip? What did, wait, what, What did I miss? I missed something. Now I kind of need to go check what's happening. Just chilling with coffee. Oh, nice. Good right now, so far so good. I'm riding to 230. Bouncing back from C wick. I'm long, let's see. Okay, so we have a lot of people that are ready for longs now. Stay low. I still like the sell for this one. Unfortunately. I say unfortunately. It has my setup, gotta be patient, it's A+. Leave it alone, right? For now, maybe I'm wrong. In which case I do just have to go touch some grass, but... Sorry, I was just checking something. Okay, let's see what happens. Morning, beautiful. Long time no see. Hey, Jeff, what's up? Sorry. Focusing, kind of focusing. Like I said, I haven't checked the charts in a week and a half. Oh, no! Rip, I'm gonna have to go look now. I missed it completely. What the heck, man? I didn't see anything today. Where did you share it? I didn't see anything today. Oh, for anyone that is new, there is a Discord if y'all want to join. And I know I'm saying y'all a lot today. I don't know why. We're starting this week with a weird boom. But anyways, if y'all want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. Let's grow this amazing community. We've got this. It's gonna be fun. Oh, on Friday. Rip, I got your levels on Friday though, didn't I? I did get your levels on Friday. David, you're gonna go green today. I already am. I'm $4 up. Wait, Mari, what? You've been thinking about knowing anywhere inside my own... Mari, sorry if I sound dumb, but what is that? So, clerk, this is where I might get in trouble. I have kind of been doing a little bit of backtesting with like the 5-second and 10-second time frames. It's an option. I always get yelled at for not using the higher time frames, and here I am backtesting the lower time frames, but you know. Maury, am I in on a trade now? Unfortunately, not. It didn't come tag me in earlier. I have a limit sell or sell limit placed. This could be the reversal that happens soon though. Let's see. I like it for the higher time frame, like I said, on the 5-minute. Looks good on the 5-minute. I mean, that's me. Theoretically, the stop loss could be a little bit higher, but I still have 3 confluences. 15-minute. I like where the entry is with this one. Like I said, stop loss potentially could be a little bit larger, but I like where the entry is for this one. 1 hour. Yeah. And oops, that's not right. Yeah, I guess the only one it doesn't look great on is the 4 hour. But all the other time frames, it actually looks like pretty solid. Okay, let's see. Some guy drinks on Maya. For what now? What? Degen, Maya, what? You want me to do the 5 seconds? Is that what you're saying? Okay, I should 1 level on. I had things to do. Level was hit, but what I showed on Discord is hard to do it and have a level that I hit. Okay, Rip, I'm gonna have to go back and check. I think I was actually busy streaming when you posted that, / trying to sort out the chaos that was the Friday stream. It was a little bit chaotic, but it was fun. Chaotic, but fun. Don't buy, it's trapping. Just got fooled for a short. Oh, bear again. Okay, let's see. Keep me posted. Hopefully it's a whoop whoop. Oh, some guy. Are you sure? It could be quite funny. What does this look like on the 5 second? Are you all ready for chaos? Are you all ready for this? I'm so sorry. I will stop being so annoying. Sure. Like I said, I haven't even looked at 5 second before. Well, no, I say that. Obviously, I looked at it when I backtested it. There. The 5 second could be very entertaining. There. I mean, damn. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Again, am I gonna do it? Probably. Well, there's a lot more opportunities for quick scalps on the 5 second. Let's say that. I would have to definitely not risk as much though. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens. I was busy. HBT version, but you can only buy smaller contracts. Am I measuring earthquakes? No, I'm definitely not measuring earthquakes. That's hilarious though. One second chart might help you get more entries on days like today. There's an ant on my keyboard. What's up, buddy? Why are you here? Okay. Shoo, shoo. Moving on. God damn, okay, I've upset Rip properly. 5 seconds for emotional forced trades. There we go. And else been playing operators. Which one should avoid? Which could save a lot of time in our trading journey. Yo, no, he's. Where did he go? Oh, he's on my arm. Can you see him? Walking on my arm. Hi, bud. Please don't bite me. Okay, wait, I gotta help save the ant. Ooh, come here, come here. No, don't go in my hair. Come on here. Thank you. Nope, that's not helping. On to this. There we go. Go back that way. He's very lost. Moving on. Get bro in the Discord. Now it's gonna be ready to exit the long handles. Okay. Okay. So, son. You'll make ojos. Go for it, yeah. I mean, it's not his. Well, it's not my fault he decided that apparently this was fun. Please don't climb back on my arm. I'm trying to focus here, bud. I'm watching. Which one mistake that we should avoid, which would save a lot of time in our trading journey? Angel's coming with all the freaking good questions today. One mistake that we should avoid: FOMO, over trading. I guess would also be a goodie. And for me, I think the main thing is just you have your rules and you stick to your rules, and that's that. Actually, I'll call him Anthony. That is amazing. Save for help, Mark. Trade crypto. Go for throat. How long have you been trading for, and what makes you say crypto? Where did he go? Oh, hey, Anthony. He's here. He's walking. Bye. Just don't die in my coffee, please. Will you hop on the unicorn? That'll be hilarious. Nope, I scared him with the unicorn. My bad. Didn't go there. Oh, and he's back on me. Okay, wait. We have chaos with Anthony now. Can you go back onto... Get off! There we go. Okay, Anthony's off. It's another idea in addition to prop firms. Wait, Maury? Exit time retail broker, not a prop firm. What we discuss trade. So, more unfortunately, X is not allowed in South Africa. Yeah. Unfortunately, being South African was a bit of a problem. Sorry, the ADHD's kick. Oh, there he is. I thought I squished him. I had a heart attack. I really thought I squished Anthony. I felt so bad. Go for throw. So, two things. How long have you been trading for? And which markets in particular do you trade? And do you do scalping, swing trading, or investing? Until no problem. So until you want to start trading, is that your goal, I'm assuming? You're set as a middle of chaos of high time frame. Good luck. Yeah, basically so. Started with 300 today. I have... Damn, go for throat. What the heck? Do you use leverage? Yeah, we're getting married on a beach while live streaming. Anthony, yeah, absolutely. It's Anthony. Where did he go? Oh, okay, he's on my book. It's okay. Maybe the some guy. No. Some guy. I feel like Perry and Elf have to be the flower dogs. How cute. Sorry. I used to use back when I used trade. Huh? That's interesting. Thanks, Only True. Huh. What do you think about that idea then, Only True? Okay. In the middle of chaos, probably. My whole life is chaos, so it's fine. Am I gonna have a read? Oh, the Monte's in these bars. Cool. Don't pull the source from every trader. I can. Still be a little easier, straightforward for me. Interesting, Anshul. Okay, and what do you plan on trading? What are your thoughts? What do you think you're gonna go with, just from what you've heard? Back to London Open. No way. Do you think this is gonna go all the way back to London Open, Demonte? I prefer props either way, and I don't like X's anymore. Interesting. That's valid. That's really, really valid. Okay. Let's see. So this one would have been this trade here. Let's see what happens. Don't love that everyone's saying this is in the middle of chaos, but... Okay, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. At a bit of a pivot point here. Give me a second. Good grief. Hey trader, what's up? Oh, thanks for the sub. This bout of chop. Oh, only true trader? No. Gotta be positive, right? But chop him on back to T2 trading. What's up? Just give me 5 years and I'll get back to you on that. Murph, thanks. I appreciate it. 5 years. I will keep it in my calendar, right? Okay, you've got 5 years. No pressure. Yes, that is headed towards there. Been going. Gotta trust my setup. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. That's all I'm gonna keep telling myself. To just leave it alone. And you're holding, it's looking good right now. Hey Monty, no, not that I know of. Get this, I heard that. Fun fact, the cash in background is actually a fake cat. 5 years sounds about on point, honestly. But you know, we're trying to get there sooner. That sounds bad. Not sooner. That yeah, not sooner. Sooner doesn't sound great. We want to get this. Leave it alone. Moving on. What session? Hey, Borden. Maybe I need more coffee. This is the London session. What's up? Oh, actually, my date. What's happening? Ah, thank you. Thanks, David. Got it. You got the date for 5 years. Amazing. Wow. Solly, wow. What will that make you? That's okay, Boredom. Don't stress. I get it. It happens all the time. Well, I don't want to say all the time, but it happens. What time? Oh, wait. Probability-wise, this is on my side. Correct? Here's 4. There's 3. Retrace 70%. Potentially take out the lows. Okay. My pronouns are high risk reward. Sully, wow. And you know what? I better be profitable by then, just saying. If I'm not profitable by then, damn. Just damn. My pronouns are patience and discipline. Oh gosh, you guys are funny. Capital is life, a dream is profit, good luck, your strategy. Oh, thanks, son, I appreciate that. Murph. Okay. Back to focusing. Sorry, again, I still can't move. Perry's just KO'd. I don't know why. Couldn't go for a walk today because it was raining, and now he's just KO'd on the floor, but it's fine. Okay, I just have to remind myself that I have my confluences now. Leave it alone. Have them. Leave it alone. So, DeMonte's buying. Cool. This is gonna be great. Yeah, no, some guy, he's properly, like I said, part of me wants to distract myself and go get his dog treats and see if I can try teach him how to sit on the chair. I think that'll work. Then there's no emotion because I'm not even watching what's happening. So we just carry on. But how you've been? That was English, nailed it. Anyways, how are you? Is it... I feel like I'm gonna butcher it. Upinder? I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry if I did. There is a video, it's very brief. I think I'll make a proper video. How about that? I'll make a proper video describing or explaining my strategy, because there are a few people that ask about it. So I'll make a proper one explaining. My mystery response, what was your... Oh, Devonta, yeah, my dog's name is Perry. I'm also bullish now. Yes, Swift 4 hour low. NQ didn't. We got SMC's at low, so yeah, and all the 4 hour. Okay, there you go. Well, sorry, to be fair, it's periwinkle. It just works that, you know, Perry the platypus would also be amazing. You know, like the color. Oh, Jules, I'm okay. Really sick a while. Last spoke about hiking. No! I'm okay. I'm apparently kind of trading against everyone right now, but I have my setup, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Y'all are not helping me, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Perry the platypus was my idol. Of course it was, little young one. I'm joking. If you're gonna be mean about me being old, I'm gonna be mean about you being young. Okay, well, we're in. I wonder how mine would look on my new TV. There we go, David. Are you gonna set it up and see? Well, no backing out now, so watch it fly to my stop loss. I will then... I might have to take a day off to just breathe, because that'll hurt me. Ah, thank you, Lee. That's where I get my swag from. Use big lance if you're in good position, so just stop loss you in. Ah, well, okay. Well, it's a bit late for that. Sorry, son, but let's see. Has anyone seen a real-life platypus? Sorry, now that we're just talking about platypi. Anyways, yeah? You're gonna almost top tick. Let's see, Lee. Let's see. Zubair TP smash. Is that a whoop whoop for you? Hey trader, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How goes it? Well, we are in this. Like I said, whatever happens now happens. I'm gonna set my TP levels here. Let's make it 1. No, yeah. And 2, and either this is a win or a loss. But either way, it's low-key at a set and forget stage right now. Do you know where we live? Solly? What? Oh, Australia. Yeah, no, I know. But still, yeah, seen platypus, not many. Hard to spot and not many around. Because obviously I've never seen one, but I'm kind of curious. I've always been super curious about the platypus. They're so weird. They are so weird. The random fun facts about platypus are just platypi, whatever they're called. It's too weird. Anyways, I love me an Australian accent. Ah, I'm not Australian though. I'm South African. What's up? How goes it? Nice. Okay. Well, okay, let me not speak too soon. Let's see, this could just continue going up now. Hell yeah, Murph. entry is a 15-minute fair value gap. Exactly. Try to set entry and your stop loss with double loss to recover your loss. But son, I hear that, but imagine now it just continues and now I've done double and then it's, yeah, bad. David, did you actually put the TV on? That's okay. I think with platypus it's plural, same with octopus. On the end, platypuses, octopuses. Are you sure, some guy? I'm not so sure about that. I kind of want to Google that now, but let's see. ES is a little bit weaker to the buy side. Oh no. Okay, whatever happens, happens. David, thanks. Don't think I'm gonna give me my London long. Oh no, only 2 trade. But did you have it at least set up? Okay, well, I'm blowing through that and that and that, so that's not great. The only problem with the setup is that it took Bob level. Didn't go there. Only went there. Okay. I'm leaving it alone. They sweat. They do. They sweat milk. You're right. Pie is delicious. Okay. Well, all I needed was the entry, didn't get one. Sorry. Hey, oh, Samuel. Yeah, I'm in a short. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Double it. You're good in position. Oh, damn. Okay, thanks, some guy. Check Discord. I'm gonna go check Discord. Because it'll keep me, I don't want to say distracted. It was a good setup, so I took it. That's all. Damn! It's a fancy TV you got there, David. Holy moly. Super fancy, I love it. Trader? How many do you have, Trader? You don't need that many. How many do you need to go live? You don't need a lot to go live. Hey, Dampy, what's up? How's it going? How goes it, everyone? Anyone that is new? Sorry, I am just gonna be distracting myself. I say distracting myself, but kind of distracting myself. For anyone that's new, welcome, welcome. Wait a second. What am I doing? Here we go. Whee! Anyone that's new? Whee! Welcome to the stream. We have lots of fun here. It can be chaotic, best of times, but we have fun. So if that's important, we're going with it. We're going with it. Dampy, you have been in a long? Or are you saying it's been long since you've been here? Which one is it? What am I doing? I'm doing this. Market is on a low time frame. It is on a low time frame. Samuel, am I using 20 MA? I'm not using a 20 MA. The hell, what the? We're here. Oh, I was hoping for more of a rejection off of that level, but it's still hands off. It is still hands off. No, hands off. Oh, thanks. Aw. What's up, Dampy? How's it been going? Welcome back then, in that situation. Guys, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this amazing community. Always amazing. Yeah. Let's get this growing. Get it? Let's get this going. Let's get this growing. I'll stop there. Ow, shut up. Okay. I'm gonna... What's this? Give me a second. Whee! Here we go. Wahaha? What? Sorry. Is that how I say your name, or was it supposed to be like evil? Like, wahaha? Did I nail that? That was pretty cool. I didn't think I could do that. Moving on. Take a partial in 351 fair value gap. Oh, okay, you think up here is where I need to take a partial? Interesting. Okay. I kind of really want to know, but let's even see if we get there at this point. It's at a bit of a... feels like a deciding point. Day 2, 25700. Really? What? Market is rejecting, then I'm done for the day. Okay, Zubair, well, let's find out. Black Sheep, Down with the Sickness. That's a really good song. Moving on. Hopefully it sweeps the 50-minute low to continue or creates a new 50-minute fair value gap to continue going higher. Why? What level am I closing? Closing? Hunting biddy longs. Oh, okay. Well, Sun, you think buy. Whoops. You're right. I am in the chaos area. This is gonna be very, very interesting. It's why I'm just chatting to you guys. Do you see? I've crossed my legs. I'm just gonna sit here and chill and chat, y'all. I did not, David. I was actually thinking of it when I was driving the other day, but I was driving. So I was like, I can't go and search the song now because I'm driving. Charlotte, what's up? How's it going? We are in this. I want to say together, but I don't think anyone else is actually in a short right now, so... we're not. Which coin? Hey, Jorth. What's up? This is the Nasdaq futures, actually, not even a coin. How's it going? And what time frame? I'm on the 1 minute. I mean, I could change to the 5 minute. I don't think it would make much of a difference right now. Either way, I'm in a trade. There we go. We can look at the 5 minute as well. Wait. Let's see. That's how it looks on the 5 minute. Charlotte, you good? That's amazing. What's up? Happy New Year! Hey, Remnant, what's up? How's it going? I think they ain't here for the trade, just saying. They're here for my amazing sparkly unicorn personality. I don't know why I went with sparkly unicorn, but that's where we're at right now. We're doing sparkly unicorns, okay? I'm just gonna stop talking. Jorth, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Hi guys. Welcome, welcome. There's an imminent just above the rigid equal highs. That's your point of interest. Shoot. Okay, well, let's see, Tyson. I'm kind of going against everyone's... Yeah, I'm literally kind of going against everyone with this one, so let's see what happens. Either it's a win or a loss. I liked it, so I took it, because there's been a few times where I've really liked a setup, and everyone kind of said, no, 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 it's going to do the opposite or whatever, so I chickened out. I'll admit it, I chickened out. I didn't take it, and it would have been a perfect winning trade. So lesson learned, if the setup is there, just take it, win or lose. It's never a loss, it's always a lesson regardless of the outcome. Permanent good chassis looking. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. How many trades a day do I usually take? Charlotte, it depends on the day and the price action. Sweet and simply. It depends on how the price action is looking for the day. I mean, I set up like 3 trades. It just didn't come and tag me in, so this is the first trade that's been tagged in. I mean, some days I can get up to 5 trades in, other days I can get no trades in. Yeah, so really dependent on the day and the price action. Some guy, yeah, I forgot. Some guy's just here for the music. Hey, Flyson. Can I explain my entry, boss? I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, I'll explain it now. Are you sure, Yash? I'll have a look. Charlotte, yep, I hear you. Oh, Raid, you're with me? Thank you. Oh, how many years trading experience? None. I'm going on a year, to be fair. April will be 1 year. April will be the 1 year anniversary of Teach Maya trading and me trading. Yeah, it's exciting. Good. Exactly. You following your model. Oh, thank you, Only True Trader. I'm trying. I'm really trying. Physical silver is the best move today. Rip. I know, trader. I know. It's a nice V pattern. This could be a reversal. Let's see. Exactly. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm trying really hard to do it. Ooh, which trading station do you like the most? What's your favorite, or which one do you find the easiest? So, Jeff, I started trading just the New York session. That's how I started out. I started with trading only the New York session, and then from there, I moved to London and New York session. Oh, it messes up my R's if I do that, Lee. Basically. Anyways, so then I started London and New York session, and I'm not going to lie, in general, for some reason, I actually prefer the London session. I mean, the New York session is quicker. It's really hard to say. Obviously, New York session is a little bit more volatile. Uploaded a song, judge me. What? I turn off the music so I can hear Maya say she loves me. Wow. Maya, I have a challenge. Okay. Okay, okay. You uploaded a song where? Black Sheep? Oof, on Discord. Where did you upload a song? Black Sheep, go away. Took a bit long. Let's see how we go. Okay, some guy. What's my stats? Win rate? Win rate? Oh, I'm gonna have to... like I said, I'm gonna have to check after Friday. It was at a 64% win rate. No, it isn't cold. No, Zubair, it's hot as hell. Trading just London is always an option. True, it is. It is. But yeah, my win rate was at 64%. Hey! Look at it go. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute quickly. Coin on YouTube. Oh, Black Sheep. Sure, I'll go have a look. Charlotte 64. Yeah, only true. It looks like it. Let's do this. It's Ethan. How goes it? How goes it? Ooh, tapped beautifully onto VWAP. And appears to be rejecting off of it. Okay, well, rip, I'm going with not the percentage. The probability, that's it. There we go. Nailed it. I'm going with the probability today. Was also another reason I took this trade, just by the way. We're going rip probabilities as well. Ethan, I can't complain. Oh, thanks, trader. Yeah. Rip, do absolutely nothing. Yes, sir. I will stay. Let the trade do its thing. I did, Only True. I did. I promise you I did. I specifically made sure I used the correct amount of contracts for this. I specifically made sure about that one. Literally. So, yes. But I'm correct, hey? I'm going with the probability with this one, right, Rip? Here it's very cold. What temperature is it? For you, Zibe? Charlotte, around this. I risk $200 per trade. Well, I'm supposed to. I was cheeky. I was using the incorrect amount of contracts. If I had used the correct amount, I probably would have passed this freaking eval, but it is what it is. But yeah. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Okay, good. Was about to fight. Yeah, no, okay. I learned my lesson. Put the correct amount of contracts in, regardless. I would like to see the low taken by 440. Sorry, hiccups. You can't use the community to blacklist it. I spent ages becoming famous. Okay, noted. It's Zubair, that's too cold. -3. I would look like an ice cube if it got to -3. I don't think you guys are ready for Winter Maya. Winter Maya is just a cold baby. Do I invest stocks while trading? Well, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very curious. I want to. Is it weird that I'm nervous to do it? Does that make sense? Chilling, all done with the work. Hey, whoop whoop, go for the goat. Go for the goat. What? Mike, the goat. Hey, don't mind me, my brain's just having a minute. -9 infinite. Wow. Wow. Omen, I have not. You place your stop loss first and So, Charlotte, how I do it is, I measure. That sounds weird, but essentially I measure the points from my entry to stop loss. So here, 30 points, and you just do the math of how many contracts would be around $200. And I know 20 points, 5 contracts is $200. So you go from there. Today's last week -20. What is how do you focus? How do you cope in -20 degrees? You will learn a lot ahead. I know, come on, like I said, I really want to. Yeah. I do really want to. Stop loss and entry points, that allows you to calculate what your position size is. Yeah, there we go. Thanks, some guy. Basically. No, and if you have a setup but you feel like you should take less cons, just give it a try. Don't. Only True Trader, I hear you. However, hear me out when I quickly say this. Do you know how often it has happened where I go, I'm not so sure about this one, so I'm gonna take less contracts, and then it works out, and then the ones that I'm like, I really like this one, let's do it, let's go the full amount of contracts, and then it's lost. So that happens often. MSK, my strategy. Oh, so sweet and simply, I'm gonna do a very quick run through. If you guys want a more in-depth, I'll maybe do a poll. If you guys want a more in-depth explanation, I'll do a video on it. Sweet and simply, it's market auction theory. So, you know, premium and discount. So the entry is at the 50% level of the range. Theoretically, I guess that could be a little bit higher, but it's fine. I like where the entry is. It is what it is. So market auction theory, and then I use ICT and SMC confluences as confirmation for my strategy. Like I said, that it's quite a brief explanation, but I hope it makes sense. You hot today? The trade, not the way you look. Oh, thanks, Mike the goat. You're so sweet. There's a calculation you can do to get the exact amount. Some guy, are you talking to me? Exactly. Sure, David. You've piqued my curiosity. What's up? That opening price needs to be hit if it has intention to go lower. Hitting that is what you want to see. Okay, okay, rip. Well, let's see what happens. It's overcomplicating a way to teach a computer how to evaluate humans' behavior. Black sheep, what are you talking about? Wow. Wow, Solly. Do you knit your own jumpers for winter? I feel like I need to now knit one that says, suck it, Solly. Boom. But, I won't do that. That's rude. Anyways, honestly. Nah, David, that's hilarious. Okay. Thank you. Oh, of course, MSK. I hope it helped. Like I said, it was very brief explanation. But yeah. Is he good or is he good? How do you plot range and those points? Oh, Bafinda. So, Bafinda? Bafinda. I don't know why I said Bafinda. Range. Literally top of the range, bottom of the range. Like I said, I guess theoretically I could have actually, should have maybe been placed there. Oops. Oh well. But yeah. It's mostly to do with the range. But then it's a fix, so it's a GAN box. Here we go. So you can see there's the GAN. And you just draw top of the range to bottom of the range. It's a 1 to 2 hour strategy as well. You could leave runners as well if you're feeling good. No, let's not say good, but you could leave runners as well. There we go. Have a checklist. If your strat has 5 steps and you see price, take the proper cons. If it's those trades you're not sure of, don't take it. Take read and see why those trades go on and follow your rules. Interesting. David Prop. David, did you just change your name to David Prop? Got it. Nope, no problem. Account size times account risk. Honestly, one stop loss entry would be. There we go. You always do. Yes, Charlotte. It's a 1 to 2 hour risk group. I say that the other day I tried to take a 5 hour. It was so close to being so good. It would have been amazing. Oh well, it happens. That was maybe, no, I want to say cheeky. I did try and take a 5 hour the other day, so. But in general, this particular strategy is a 1 to 2 hour strategy. We want speed to start kicking in. I mean, it's getting closer to the opening range, so that's something, right? Well played. Hey, is it Vince? What's up, Vince? I've been trading for nearly a year. Oh, that doji's not great, but yeah, I've been trading for nearly a year now. Literally, April is a year. Break even now after HTTP. I'm good. If it hits break even, I'm gonna take a nap. part of me wants to go break even, but another part of me is like, leave it alone, trust your setup, stop it. David, that is... Oh my gosh, did that really just happen? I'm so happy right now. That is just amazing. That is honestly just so funny. Anyways, moving on. Got like 4 dads now. None of you were around when I was a kid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. What a way to start the Monday. That is... You know what? You know what that deserves?
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was just... Yep.
Nice.
That was amazing. That was just amazing. I'm happy now. I'm so happy now. Aw, thanks Charlotte. Hopefully I see you again, right? It's gonna be amazing. Wow. Just wow. You know what? You can't claim that we don't have fun here. We definitely have fun here. It's doing weird random things, but we still have fun. Just... Wait. This is for David, actually. Give me a second. Wait, David, you're on that one. Oop, that's very loud. I'm so sorry. And again. No fun. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, my bad. My bad. I apologize. We're supposed to be serious and taking this super seriously. Trading is supposed to be fun. You're supposed to enjoy it, or else I feel like you're doing it wrong, right? We're not seeing any speed. Why are we not seeing any speed? Come on. Super serial traders only. Wow. It gives the raffle something to talk about. Black sheep, you know what? When you're right, you're right. Yeah, guys. Again, if you want to join, whoopsies. If you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. What? What is happening? Okay, moving on. For anyone that is new, if you guys have Discord and you want to join, you are more than welcome to. Get some more of this chaos, honestly. Just chaos for days, but you know what? We have fun. I think that's the important thing. You know, I don't even know. Zabir, which app am I on? I'm currently using Top 1 Futures Prop Firm and using Project X for now. Oh no. I kind of want to go break even, but Black Sheep just well, Black Sheep, I can't listen to it on the live. I'm gonna listen to it afterwards. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's David. Some guy, yeah. Alright, it's gonna react to 351 fair value gap. Okay, Lee. I remember you mentioned the 351 fair value gap. Let's see, don't worry, when it gets there I go, well, I'm gonna get risk at least. Hasn't quite hit that fair value gap yet, wow. Okay. Come on. So essentially, what I'm hearing is potentially going break even is not the worst idea because this environment right now is meh. Or at least mitigate risk by half. Well, rip. doesn't it just say that this is just a consolidating one right now? Wow. Some guy's here asking the real questions. Okay. What time is it? It's still pushing down. It is still pushing down. Trolling. That sounds about right. Risk move your stop loss to the premium one. So do you think decrease risk, move stop loss to... you want it up. Decreasing risk means I make stop loss less. Happy feet is important. That's why you took the risk in the first place. True, true. David, that is pretty funny. I'm just saying. Okay. Here we go. There's one way to do this. For funsies. I say for funsies, but for funsies. Okay. Let's see. Holy moly. Break even? What does the strategy say? The strategy says nothing yet. What? David, I have so many questions. Fish Doctor, what's up? I'm on the Nasdaq futures. How goes it? Wow. It's literally a 50-50 for go break even. It's the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, because we're lucky ducks here. Heck yeah. It says leave it alone. It says leave it alone. So I must leave it alone. Sorry, I just have to keep reminding myself about that. Hey, Tholox, what's up? Let's see. Okay, okay. So let me do this. So strategy says at 1-to-1 and mitigate risk by half. At 1-to-1, because this is a bit of a bigger, it's quite a bit bigger. It's a bit of a bigger range. When it hits there, I might move it to break even. I'm gonna be in this for so long. I know. Oh no, Jet, not Jeff. Jet, what happened? The plan is the plan, so let the plan plan. Some guy, I love that. I do indeed love that. Okay. The plan is the plan, so let the plan plan. Plan. Except this does look like it's going against what I wanted to do, but it's fine. I'm willing to risk this amount for this trade 50. Well, yeah, Rip, because it worked in my favor, and then clearly It stopped. Black sheep. Oh, thanks a bit. Let's see. $100 Oh, what? Black sheep, you know nothing. What's happening? Right, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Learn to be comfortable paying your expenses. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna sit here and... David! Good grief, my man. Holy moly, hello. There's a fly. The plan is the plan, so let the plan plan. I'm just gonna keep repeating that to myself. The plan is the plan. Jet, give me a signal. Well, I'm in on this. Oh yeah, bearish until lunch. Then big money buys. The dip, melt up into close. My thoughts going into the day. Unless the science to fall off the rails again. Keep an eye on the news this week. Oh, thanks, Fish Doctor. Interesting. Bearish until lunch. Well... stick with the plan. Stick with the plan. I'm gonna be here forever and ever. Okay, well. Oh well. Where's Anthony? I don't know. He was on the books. I think he ran away. He didn't want to be friends anymore. I don't know what I did. You can always change the plan, just not on the fly. H-Day, you're right. Leave the plan alone. What? David, what the heck, man? Okay. Drink your coffee, laugh at the chat. Hit Perry, life's good. Do you know what? I think that's what we're going to attempt quickly. Who wants to see me? Whoop. Anyways, who wants to see me? You know, I'm not even gonna ask. Who wants to see me try to teach Perry how to climb on the chair? I think that's where we're at. Yeah? What do we think? Do we think we're gonna try, teach Bean... Sorry, I call him Bean. Perry Bean. To climb on the chair. Okay. Bonjour. How goes it? Okay. Anyways. Need another 2,000 years. Hey Lurk, what's up? How's it going? I need to go get some Perry treats because I'm hands off, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave the microphone on, so if you hear me like falling over my own feet, I do that often, so don't mind me. Some guy, I only got that now. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna try this. Don't mind me. Okay. Put your feet up. Up. Give me your foot. 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 One more. Good boy. Good boy. Get that dog on the chair. I'm trying. I am trying. Come here, bud. Come here, boy. Kip, kip. Oh. Thank you. Good boy. There's a paw. Kip, kip, kip. No, you gotta hop up on the chair. You gotta hop up on the chair. He's not convinced. Ow! He's not so convinced about. Stop biting me. Kim, kim, kim. Okay. Oh, gotta try some weird and wonderful things here. Don't mind me. Come here. Come here. Hiya. Good boy. Yeah, I'm attempting this, guys. This is not going so well. What do you guys get up to on live streams? Oh, well, you know, wait, whoa, it moved. The problem is that it has wheels. Good boy. Good boy. Yay. Okay. Okay. We're getting a periwinkle up on. Yay. Oh, good boy. The real star of the show. He's here. He's here to say hi. Say what's up. Say what's up. Look here. Look here. There we go. I'm trying so hard. I don't know how I'm gonna get him to sit on the chair though. That's gonna be the next thing. Okay. What do you think? Okay, one thing at a time. Okay. That was a start. That was a start. We'll eventually get him to sit on the chair. I don't know how, but we'll get him to sit on the chair. But dog, he has no idea what you're up to. I know, Rip, but he is so used to me being weird that I don't even think he cares anymore, to be fair. He's just happy he's getting sweeties. Good boy. Pet the chair and see if... No, he just wants to go where the food is at. Come on. What's up? Yeah, good boy. What's up? Oh, good boy. Give. And again. Yeah, good. And come closer. Yay, good boy. Yay. Okay, we're getting there. Whoop, chair moved. Okay. One thing at a time. Good boy. What did you guys do on the live stream today? Oh, you know, we taught Perry how to climb on the chair. I just have to somehow try and get the chair to stop moving. Huh. Can I lock the wheels? I don't think I can lock the wheels. It would help if I could lock the wheels. Can I lock the wheels? I can't. Yeah. If I could lock the wheels, life would become easier. Oh, this is slowly taking me to my death. Look at the tall boy. Yep. Anywho, I'll try it one more time now. He's now just staring at the treats properly. Good grief. Put him on the... Rip? Really? Yeah, oof indeed, fish doctor, but I'm leaving it alone. This could still turn around. I'm leaving it alone. Seriously? Seriously, guys? Really? You're gonna do that? You're gonna do that to me? Okay, well, we're still in this thing. I haven't changed anything. Haven't moved anything. I'm leaving it alone. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe I should... Okay. Okay. Then, I don't know if you want to copy this trade, but okay. Oh, thanks, Samuel. I appreciate it. Okay, I still have the confluences for this. I still have the confluences for it. Oh, it's moving with proper momentum. Up now. Shoot. Who was hooting? It's okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, that's not going in the direction I wanted it to go. Sucks, I got my entry function if you said no trade. Oh no, only true trader, what the heck? Would it have tagged you in though? This is okay, sometimes the plan doesn't plan. That's true. It's true. It's true. Must just leave it alone. It looks like this is going to be in for the long haul, so we're gonna sit here together. Am I the funniest or black sheep? Are you saying are you the funniest? You need to borrow my moral compass. Do you have a good moral compass? There's a valet. Double tap and we'll go back down and see. only true trader. Well done then. Respect. Don't break your rules just because. Hey son, what's up? I'm still in this, by the way. Oh, only if you knew. Wow. Wow, rough. What? Okay, you just want more sweeties. No, son. TP's down here. TP be large. The large TP. Married David up to go green. Wow. Are you telling that to Solly? Solly, you heard him. Okay. I'll be right back, everyone. I don't know, think... Watch the trade for me. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's watch this trade. I'll be right back. What happened to the go down thoughts? What's happening here? I didn't tweak the high, so there's liquidity left there. That's good. And then the reason to return afterwards. In small time frame, let's profit, but a more likely position, more likely results in the win, holding for lower lows. Higher risk for only a little reward. Hey yo, Shawnee, what's up? And Rish, hi. What? Oh, good grief. My word. Nice, David. Nice profile picture. I love it. I love it. It's so cool. Ay, ay, ay. Oh well. I'm leaving it alone. I'm just leaving it alone now. Leave it alone. No touching. Johnny, how's trading going for me? It's fine, I guess. It's okay. It's okay. It is what it is at this point. That's how it's been feeling. Just it is what it is. How about you, Shawnee? How's trading been for you? How's it going for you? Oh, yeah, Shawnee, literally, Friday was bad. Friday was really bad. Yeah. But it's okay. And today, this is the only trade I've taken. It was going in my direction, and now it's not, so let's see what happens. I'm in a short. I feel like I'm gonna be here for a while. Yeah, I matched something with that username quite a lot in the ring. The market is performing in an unknown pattern. It's thrown everyone off their game. Black Sheep, thank you. I appreciate that. It is kind of how it feels. Unless your name is Only True Trader, in which case, just winning at life, right? Hey, OTT. Taking a break. I played my funded account before. Oh, no, Shawnee, what? How long are you going to be on a break for then? Rish, this is London session. But I do also trade New York session. Lyson, new hour, it's gonna move. Well, let's hope it moves down. I swear sometimes the market does hear me and it loves to just, I want to say tease me. Maybe that's the wrong word. Platinum player? Why? Impossible to get into a worse position, so can only go up with black sheep. That is rude, but valid. Nice. Well, I guess I'm evaluating if trading is for me or not. It's very hard. Oh, Shawnee, what? No. Okay, why would you think it's not for you? Maybe let's start with that. Apart from the fact that it's very hard. Hey DLM, what's up? How's it going? Damn, some guy's out for, I don't even know, blood today with his jokes. That is your... That was, yeah. Some guy, are you good? Yeah, bad. Trading well. Well, you hope the charts are trading well. Oh, DLM. You all came here and you were like, nah, you know what? Today's the day we're just gonna be. I just want to say little menaces to society, but you guys are always like that, so I shouldn't be surprised at all, should I? No, not really, not even in the slightest. Scary old man. I think you have 2 emotions out of trading, which I'm not very good at. Shawnee, did you have like rules or anything? I guess that's the real question. How do you deal with the losses? I think you just have to be fine with whatever happens. Like, no matter what happens, you just have to go with it. Is this funded or eval? This is eval. What's up, Rish? E? What? Wait, no, low class virtual. You're from the mountains. Found out I keep an axe and knife in my car. I mean, some guy, that's pretty scary. Why do you always keep an axe in your car? Especially the axe part. Like a knife I get, I'm from South Africa. It's good to have a knife with you, but an axe? So many questions. Shawnee, how long have I been on the eval for? Well, this one I haven't blown, and I've had it for like 3 months, longer than 3 months. 4 months? Guys, I haven't blown an eval in 4 months. Famous last words, watch me now blow it, but still. When I go to, I mean, okay, some guy, that makes sense, because obviously you need that to make firewood. Never mind. Then it makes sense. Then it's fine. But then I get it. No, that wouldn't be in my car. Am I up overall? Shawnee, yeah. Getting there, slowly but surely. But yeah, it was going up. Then, like I said, Friday happened and now we sit and we wait to see what this decides that it wants to do. It still kind of looks like it wants to go take me out, but it's fine. Is it high? This has taken such a weird turn in conversation. Anyways, small profit taken on time is a big win in options. Kamal, interesting. Shawnee, can you recommend a good mentor or a course? Shawnee, what were you using? Wait, so Shawnee, did you not do a... You did a prop room, didn't you? Shawnee, have you got Discord? You can join in on the Discord. Solid now, yep. Okay, cool. I do indeed. There we go. Also strong network. Anything to fix that bug. Thumper looking for price to hit 25800, then a test. No, let's not. No. Thumper, say it wants to go down first, please. Thanks. I'm in a short. Say go down. Thumper, let's be positive over here. It's gonna go down. Everyone think melting. Think melting thoughts. That's it. Ah. Let's see. What's happening? Oh my goodness. Lance, what's up? How are futures treating me this year so far? I'm not gonna lie, last week was interesting. Let's just stick with interesting. Yeah, last week was interesting. And well, we're starting this week. I had the correct idea. Yeah. Essentially, we are at a point here. I mean, not great that there was a change of character and now a little bit of a break of structure, but still. Don't change it, I like it. There we go. See, David, you're making Solly happy. Only the one, Rish. You do have a higher and a higher. Thumper, I know. I know. Was supposed to retest there and go down, but it's fine. I had an A+ setup. And I left it, and now we've run out of go-go juice on the price action, but it's okay. The thing to do is upload a video to make sure it's right. Either set myself up or I took a good risk and the trade came off. Black sheep? What did I miss? What's up? Okay, but we're going. Oh, thanks, Black Sheep. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, but there is now also a membership live, guys. I also think it could. Let me know what you think. Could potentially be fun to. I don't know. Some people said merch could be a fun idea. I don't know what you guys think about merch. If you think it would be nice or not, let's do a poll for merch. Seeming as we have time right now. Could potentially be fun. I've had some yeses, I've had some meh. So like mugs. I don't even know. Mugs? Caps? Have I gotten members yet? Not yet, so I don't think. I've only made it available now to be a member, so yeah. I could... Hey! Launch kits? Sure, if you want to. Could be forming somewhat of an M pattern for you, still be careful. Thanks, Thumper. Yeah. Just yeah, I think I'm gonna be stuck here for a while. My poor horse is still supposed to do things, but it's okay. Next poll, that's mine. Yeah, Thumper, you know, either way, Thumper, I'm in this. So, and I'm sticking to my rules. So regardless of what happens now, either it's a win or a loss. I just kind of have to sit and wait. And teach Perry trading. Wow. So what I'm hearing is y'all don't even want Maya merch, you guys want Perry merch. Noted. Okay then. That is hilarious. Got it. Can you see what crude is at, please? Irv, I could go have a look for you. But I am on futures. Much more inspiring to say it's enhancing the cost. I mean, some guy, you have a point. May the markets be ever in your favor. Yes? No? What do you think? I like that one. One day if you drop that to my trading hoodie, you'll see someone wearing it in Australia. Solly, are you trying to say that you're gonna go and become a criminal? Anyway. Oh, are you asking how I'm able to trade with everyone making comments? Practice, I guess. This is, yeah, it's just what I do. Is it difficult? Yes. It's very difficult. Oh, it's coiling. Okay, but yeah, it's very difficult, don't get me wrong. It's not an easy task to do this, but we continue. And you're an introvert, so interesting. So to be fair, so am I. That's why everyone here in the trading community, it's pretty awesome. We all tend to be pretty like-minded in a way, because we all tend to be introverts. I think it helps that, you know, we're all here, we're all in a similar boat. We all just want what's best for, well, in general, we all want what's best for everyone else. I mean, there's some people out there who are just mean and they don't want, but that's not what this community is about. This is very much a supportive community that wants everyone to succeed. Well, that's what I want it to be. A supportive community where we want success for everyone in it, right? And if we can help where we can, that's awesome. I mean, I've learned so much from this community already. It's ridiculous. What was the point I was getting at? Sorry, the ADHD kicked in a little bit there. Point is, I'm also an introvert, but to have like-minded people just makes it amazing. It sounds, I stand alone. Sounds much better. Just as possible to be wild, functioning without letting people know. For marketing purposes, make sure to get the TMT logo in the camera. Ooh, interesting, Solly. Valid. That would be quite cool. Which platform? Hey, I'm using Top 1 Futures and I'm on Project X platform currently. I stand alone. Well, yep. David, what a weird thing to say. Never let them guess your next move. Oh wait, are we meant to be helpful? I mean, you guys are helping distract me right now, so I guess, yes, you are being helpful, even if that wasn't the plan, just saying. How to get into the community again? Oh, Shawnee, here we go. Here's the Discord. It is also in the description. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, here we go. What do I trade now? Hey, Big V, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Make wave like tsunami and then stop the wave before it takes out the big cities. I was trying to get you a new stepmom. Oh my greatness, you guys are actually too funny. Hey son, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? How's everyone doing? Oh, I think this is going to be a very slow, agonizing loss, but you never know. You never know. Do I use AMT? I do not, Big B. I've had a look into it, but I don't use it. How's it going for everyone else, by the way? How's everyone else doing? Hope you guys are amazing. What does everyone else trade out of curiosity? So anyone that's new, two things. Number one, welcome. You guys can have a little welcome parade. Whee! Welcome to the chaos. Literally, it's absolute chaos, yeah, but we have fun, so that's... I feel like that's what's important. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be sitting here the whole day waiting for this trade. I can see it happening already. Hey, we're in the... Nope. I was like, hey, we're in the green, and then it instantly went back into the red. Anyways, pointers? Oh, good grief.
Nice.
There we go. Big V, Arcade Motion Theory. That's the one. Oh, cheers, some guy. Enjoy. Losses hurt so much. They do, Hassan. And it's fine. It's part of learning, though. $2026 is looking up. New mom, new dad. Let's go. Oh, damn, Sally. Goodness gracious me. This is gonna be... Wow. 2026 is gonna be very entertaining. That's all I can say. 2026... Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, good grief. Just oh, good grief. Wow. Got aunties, dads, all type of family. Wow, damn. Damn, David. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Ah, it's okay, though. It's okay. Let's do this. We are in this trade. Whether we like it or not. But we're doing this. We're doing this thing. It's happening. Hey, we're not. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How goes it? Hold on now. That's hilarious. But okay. This does look like it wants to push to the buy side. If I sit and wait all this time just to be taken out, I'm gonna be a grumpy goose. 24415 will be reversal upside. Whoop, no, maybe not. Waited all this time just to be taken out. That's going to be amazing. Still in and into another. Charlotte, what's up? So, I've just still been in this. I'm just still in this trade. I have been in this trade. For how long? I got in at 4:08. It is now 5:19. I've been in this trade for over an hour. Yay! 25415. Oh, maybe you're saying 25415. What's at that level? Is this day trading or swing trading? Only true trader, to be fair. Right now, apparently it's swing trading. Sometimes I'm like, I know, rip, I know. And sometimes it's just like this and it is what it is. Oh, only true trader, that's David. He changed his name and now he's stuck like that. Hey, Kieran, what's up? Do I have somebody else on the same platform checking screen latencies? Resin? No? Why? Yeah, it is. It is. Me, David, and ICT. Big V, yeah. Well, come on, this is not supposed to be swing trading, believe it or not. It's just turning out to be this way. Hey, Nico, what's up? How's it going? What's up? Ariane? Hi. How's everyone doing? Like I said, I also expected to be very... Oh, thank heavens, Bernard. But unfortunately, this might come take me out before it goes to the bear side. Let's see. Busted too many platforms lying on charts. Oh. Damn. It falls in your favorite. Well, Black Sheep, let's see. I'm not even gonna get excited about anything anymore. I'm just going with the flow. Well, no. Yeah, be like water. Rip, like you say. Just be like water. Good grief. Okay, must I make a poll? Oh, thank you, Nico. I appreciate that. Nico, be nice. I mean, Nico, be nice. David, be nice. Nico's just being nice. Nico, what? Oh, I'm confusing my brain now. I am indeed confusing my brain cells. Oh my gosh. Only true, apparently we are actually just doing swing trading today. Hey, Shawnee, amazing! Shawnee's on the Discord. I'm excited. It's gonna be amazing. Let's do this. Ayo, Sean. Cool. I feel like this is going to only vote on one account. Hey, Carnage. Yes and no. It's still a 1 to 2R. It was just the range that was presented to me. So here we are. I think this is going to be the longest trade I've ever taken. Or longest trade I've ever stayed in. Which is cool, I guess. Hey Khalid, what's up? Good morning, good morning. How goes it? Well, it's good afternoon here in South Africa right now, but how goes it for everyone else all over the world? Good morning, evening, afternoon. Hope everyone's good. This is now just going sideways. Part of me is tempted. No, we leave it. We leave it alone. The trading pilot, what's up? How's it going? How are you? How you doing? 4:20 a.m. Texas. Hey, nice, Resin. Why are you awake? You know, asking out of curiosity, why are you awake at 4:20 in the morning? Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Oh no. Yeah, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this amazing community. The more the merrier, right? How long have I been trading for? Nearly a year. April will be a year. Huh, interesting. Alright, that's good. How is South Africa's stock market situation here? India market halted after 2 days. Oh damn, Kamal, that's not good. I mean, South Africa. All as well. New news today, probably the price is slow. Yeah, Khalid, it is very slow, but we are still in this thing somehow. I've been in this trade for over an hour. And you know what's frustrating? I feel like this is so frustrating because part of me almost wants to close it, call it, come back for New York session. However, I know exactly what's going to happen. If I do that, watch it hit TP. However, if I sit here and wait, watch it hit my stop loss. I know I'm small and insignificant, but sometimes I swear some people are there on the other side watching and they're like, this will be funny. Let's see what happens. Do I trade full time? Yeah. Music, coins, coffee. Exactly, Resin. What could go wrong? Maya loses her composure when the market doesn't perform to her expectations. You would think that, Black Sheep, but to be fair, right now, I'm keeping it pretty cool, calm, and collected. I think it's just because this is taking 5 ever. Not even 4 ever. 5 ever. I've been trading for a decade, learned to separate emotions from the chart. Resin, to be fair, I used to be very emotional. Very. The emotions are now gone. Well, not gone. I am still human, but the emotions are less. I wish I could just turn emotions off. Oh my gosh, life would be so much easier if I could just turn emotions off. Actually, you're like the top underworld words published in your company. Black Sheep, are you me or are you talking to David? I feel like you're talking to David right now. I mean, this has respected VWAP so many times. Come on, respect it properly and go down. Emotions do not work into— oh no, I know they do not. How do you deal with greed or fear? Taff, it goes back to the emotion thing. Just try switch them off. Emotions can't be part of this. Yeah, obviously, David. I think that's the most difficult part of trading, is to go with no emotions. So you risk an amount, you're fine with losing. And you literally just see every loss as a lesson. Is it always easy? No, but it's how you do it. Emotions and trades, keep them separate, numbers only. Exactly, Resin. That's not life. No emotions means your death. As long as you're breathing, you'll feel things. Exactly. So there's no such thing as no emotions unless you are a robot, in which case, hi. But that's exactly the point, right? I don't think it's humanly possible to take emotions completely out of the equation. Right? Else you're not really human. Well, I don't think anyways. But maybe that's just me. Taff, what strategy do I use? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. You see, that's how Maya diagnosed herself with my banker card. Wow, David. Wow. Just wow. Hey, Tyson, what's up? I'm still in this trade. Don't know how, but I'm still in this thing. Again, don't know how. Actually, you have a long way to go. I hear that. But yeah, anyways, is anyone else in a trade? Is it only me? Wow. Wow. Go back and check your price accuracy. I was cursed with videographic memory and it's made trading really frustrating but reward. Resin, explain please. It's my turn to wear the seriously. I think Nasdaq is going greatly increase in a couple of hours. No, DJ. You come on here, you say these things and look at it go. Seriously? 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 Stayed in on this trade. Stayed in extra long for it. Do I put stop loss for every trade? I do, Kamal. I put stop loss for every trade. Miguel, what's up? Second trade looking positive. Nice. How am I? I'm dandy. Yeah, Tyson. I thought I would reject it a little bit. No, I can't believe it. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. This is gonna take me out shortly. Out of my misery, hopefully. Maybe not. Yes, I was always right though, since I don't have that pressure of using real money. I mean, DJ, that's valid. I guess you are blessed in that way. Seeing platforms live from live prices to actual prices, fractions, skimming off users for gain. Resin, okay. Wait, I have so many questions for you, Resin. Do you really have a, what's it called? Videographic memory? Well, what's my trade? Yeah, I'm down. I wasn't a short. Oh, I forgot I still have that. What merch? Good question. You did great on this one. Really? Rip? Doesn't feel great, but I appreciate it. Huh, looks like the yeses win for merch. Interesting. And a 50-50 on this one. Maybe not. Thanks, Tyson. What's my strategy? Hey, Klaus. So I use a market auction theory strategy. Oh, good grief. I use ICT and SMC confluences mixed into the play as well. Bam, what am I trading? Nasdaq futures. What's up? Do I do hedging? I do not. Sorry. Yes, now. Ooh, interesting. I kind of want to test you, but that sounds bad. Then Maximilian. David's on a mission today. David's on a mission. This is slowly but surely just agonizing right now. We are still in on this. We are still in on this. Do I game as well? Charlotte, I don't, but I want to start gaming more, but yeah. My poor PC has so much on it right now. Fine, I can see it. Oh, thanks, son. Bye. Looks like a gamer chair. Yes, it is a gamer's chair. It's really comfy. I love my gamer's chair. Pam, nice. Would like to keep in touch with other traders. Yeah, Pam, so I have Discord. For anyone that's new, if you all want to. Sorry, I know I've like sent this a million times, but there is a Discord. What price is it right now? Zuni, it's at 25718, around that area. Obviously, it's jumping up and down slightly, but here we go. Hi, Chief. What? Another one? What? What's up? Mark out the 50-minute candle made last night at 8:45. Okay, Tyson, I will. Let me copy paste that. I'll do that now, Tyson. It looks like it's about to take me out, in which case I'll then... Well, no. Let's see. I've had weirder things happen. There we go. Cool. So that was literally the longest freaking trade I've ever been in just to be taken out at a loss. That was mean. That hurt. Oh well, I liked the trade. It was a good setup. Oh, it is what it is. Moving on. Oh my gosh. Let's see if New York brings something better. Again, Bob level to flipping Bob level. I was hoping maybe it would bounce off of Bob level. If this starts to go down now, however, I'm just saying, I won't be too impressed. I had a little bit of hope here. Maybe that was the problem. I let hope come into play. Question, trade prop. Where do I know when I went in short? Where? Okay. 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 Now that I know. Let's see what this does. Okay, well, wait. Let's not even see what this does. Let's wait and see when we come back for the New York session. Okay, so I'm gonna call it there, guys. I'm gonna call it there. You guys were amazing. Thank you for joining. If I come back and this now hits TP after wicking me out and me sitting in this for an hour, I'm gonna be a grumpy goose, but it's fine. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. Let's see if we can get this back into the green. Yeah? Yeah. I love you guys madly. Bye. And we'll